Hi guys, today we'll be doing the unboxing for Redmi Note 5 Pro. So this is Sayyad Ayaz and let's start the unboxing over here. So this is the box. It said India's number one. Okay, fine. First make your device available for everyone. It is very difficult to buy this device. Basic specification. And by the way, I think the flash sales from the Flipkart is just a gimmick. They are selling in a black market for if you pay 1,000 to 1,500 rupees extra on the MRP, you will get the device. So let me just peel out this thing. I'll just try to peel this plastic on the top of the this box. So it's very difficult to buy this device. You guys, believe me, it's really frustrating to purchase in flash sales. So I finally got rid of this plastic. So this is the box. Basic information regarding the device over there. Let me just cut down this seal over here. There is another seal. Oops, I just got slipped. Come on. Yeah, I finally did that. So let me just open the box. Come on. Oh, it's very tight. Yeah. So guys, the first thing you will see in the box, there is a back case. Yes, it's a basic silicone case. Nowadays everyone is including this in the box. That's good for us. For the customers, you don't have to buy it extra for that. You don't have to pay for that. So these are the bunch of documentation regarding the device. Basically it's a user manual, so don't think so no one will read this. So let me keep aside and let's come to the box. This is the USB cable. Beneath it there is a SIM ejector pin, and this is the wall adapter. It's a 5 volts 2 ampere regular charger. There is not a quick charger included in the box. So let me just keep aside everything and let's come to the device. Let me just remove this screen protector. Come on. Yep. So this is the device guys. It's 5.99 inch 18.9 aspect ratio LCD display. On the right you have a volume rockers and power button. On the bottom you have a headphone jack, mic, speaker grill and USB port. On the left you will find this SIM tray. It's a hybrid SIM tray. On the top you will find the IR plaster with the noise cancellation mic. And on the back, let me just peel this sticker, and there is another sticker over here. Yep. So it's a metal unibody design, and it has a dual camera setup, 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel and a fingerprint sensor, MI branding. So this is the device guys. Let me just boot this up. Yeah, until this boot up and I will set up the device. Until then you guys can have a look at the quick specification of the device. This Redmi Note 5 Pro is powered with Snapdragon 636 SoC, which is an octa-core processor. 4 gigs and 6 gigs of RAM available, it's optional. Adreno 509 GPU, 64 gigs of internal storage with 5.99 inch 18.9 full HD plus IPS LCD screen, dual SIM nano. Basically it's a hybrid SIM slot. So rear camera is a dual camera, 12 plus 5 megapixels. On the front you have a 20 megapixel Sony IMX 376 sensor. So basically the selfies should be good over here, and they should have been implemented even this Beautify app also inside the camera app. So it has a 4000 milliamp battery and with the fingerprint sensor on the back. So these are the quick configuration of this device. So let us come back to the device again. I have booted the device and set it up everything. There is update already available, so there you can see. Let me just what update it is. It's just a system update with the minor bug improvements and nothing major over here. I will update that later on. Let me just see the Android version. It's 7.1.1. Sadly, no Oreo. Okay, 52 gigs of memory is available. This device is priced at rupees 14,999. You may can buy it online or in black market. So this is a basic camera app, the regular MI camera app. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Share the video those who are looking to buy this device. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye.